Microbes might seem some organisms that are irrelevant, right? They are stuff that we cannot see with our own eyes, but they are actually very important for all the processes that happen in all living environments. In our research, we're interested in two main objectives. We're interested in knowing who live in this particular environment. We're also interested about what kind of process they are involved that can be relevant for understanding this environment. There are many different steps involved in collecting all the data that we have. The very first step is water, so we can get the water and get the water back to the lab, filter the water, and we can get data that way. Then the second step will be processing all those samples here in the lab. And finally, the third step will be integrating all the different data that we collect using different computer programs. My research is important because it brings into the table the relevance of these tiny microbes for sustaining the health of this environment, because remember that most of the water, the drink water in Florida, comes out from this aquifer. So knowing what things make the aquifer health and how these microbes are contributing to the health of the aquifer is important. And also there is a more basic question. This aquifer is an underground environment. And as you can imagine, this underground environment doesn't have a lot of access to energy from the surface. That lack of nutrients create starvation conditions that the microbes have to tackle in order to survive and grow in this environment. My data, besides helping care for the aquifer for future generations in Florida, could be also very useful to understand even life beyond Earth as well.